Let's check this Python code snippet. This Python code defines a simple hash map implementation using a list as the underlying data. Structure: the class named hashMap implements a hash table with a fixed capacity specified during initialization. A list called table is created to store key value pairs. The length method returns the capacity of the hash map, which is the length of the table. The setItem method allows you to insert a key value pair into the hash map. It calculates the index in the table using a hash function applied to the key and modulo operation with the capacity. If a key already exists at that index, it gets overridden. The getItem method retrieves the value associated with a given key. It calculates the index using the same hash function. If a key value pair exists at that index, it returns the value. Otherwise, it returns none. The private hash method simply uses Python's built-in hash function to generate a hash value for a given key. This implementation uses separate chaining for handling collisions, but due to its simplicity, it only stores a single key value pair at each index, potentially leading to overwrites and inefficient lookups in case of many collisions. Thank you for watching.